Hello. Welcome to our Kolay Rehber channel. Today we will show you the easiest method of extracting cabbage. But first, let's go pick out a nice cabbage. We bought our cabbage, we came home. Let's get to work right away. We take the cabbage we bought on a tray and turn it upside down. We cut the middle part deeply and make a hole. You may have a bit of a hard time at this stage. We continue to deepen the hole. Friends, this method we're showing is really practical. Great convenience for those who do not have large pots in their house. Even if there are large pots in our house, it is quite difficult to remove the leaves of cabbage without tearing them. And you can burn your hand. So I definitely recommend you to try this method. Yes, we've opened enough of the middle of our cabbage. Now we fill the hole we dug with boiling water. After pouring our water, we wait a few minutes and pour boiling water again. Wait for 10 minutes for the water to penetrate the cabbage thoroughly. While you wait, you will see that the cabbage releases water into the tray. Our leaves began to release themselves. Now let's move on to extracting. You will be surprised how easily the leaves come out as a whole. Yes, we sorted out our cabbage. Not only did we sort it, but also built a tower out of cabbage. As you can see, the cabbage has almost no leaves left. You can boil the leaves in boiling water to use in cabbage roll. We have come to the end of our cabbage sorting video. See you in the next videos with a great cabbage roll recipe. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel.